Understanding means-tested in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, means-tested. It's a term you might encounter in news, economics, and social policy discussions. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in conversation. So, let's dive in. Means-tested refers to a method used to determine whether an individual or family is eligible for government assistance or benefits based on their income and assets. Unlike universal benefits, which are given to everyone regardless of income, means-tested benefits are designed to help those who need it most. The concept of means testing has been around for many years. It's rooted in the idea of social equity, where resources are allocated to individuals based on their economic situation. This section will trace the history of means testing and its significance in social policy. Here, we'll look at real-world examples of means-tested programs, such as Medicaid, food stamps, and housing assistance. We'll see how these programs use means testing to determine eligibility and the impact this has on the lives of recipients. Now that you understand what means tested means, let's put it into practice. We'll go through several sentences to show how you can use means tested in your discussions about economics, social issues, or policy debates. And that wraps up our discussion on means tested. I hope this video has shed light on this important concept and you feel more confident using it in English. Remember, learning phrases like means tested can greatly enhance your language skills, especially when discussing complex topics. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.